Hello, everybody, and welcome to Funky Fox Gaming. I'm Regal Raccoon, and today we're gonna be playing Natural Disaster Survival. So the game is loading. Joining server. I'm just gonna reduce the volume a bit. Okay, welcome. Do your best to survive the natural disasters. This game is played in rounds. Each round loads a new random disaster and map. If you die, you will spawn in the lobby where you can watch the rest of the players try to survive from the safety of the tower. Be patient. A new round will start shortly. Ready. Okay. We'll see what is upstairs. This is me, guys. I'm really tall. I don't know why. There's the island. Next map, Prison Panic. Okay, so I guess this is the prison, guys. So I'm gonna get inside through the stairs. Or maybe let's go through that door. I've never really been to a prison before. So this is how it looks. Very boring and dull. Let's climb this up maybe. Tsunami, get to higher ground. Let's get to higher ground, guys. Oh my god. I hope we're in time. So I think this is the highest we can get. Oh, there's even more higher ground. Let's see what's in this room first. Okay, there's... I don't know. Oh, there's the prison cells. Okay, let's go further up. Oh, can you see that, guys? Those are the waves. I'm about to fall off. It's very slidey in here. Um... Okay, let's climb up on this. Okay, these are the survivors, guys. We've survived. So we're back here in the lobby. Let's run around in circles. Next map, Rakesh Refinery. So this is the refinery. I think it's best we go up. Or not. What if it's a flood? Or a tsunami again? But what if it's a fire? Or what if it's an earthquake? Gonna stay here for now. If it's an earthquake or something, I can just jump off. Earthquake! Oh, I knew it. So I'm not gonna keep you waiting, guys, and okay, I waited for a while, and we've come to this top 10 survivalists list, and I'm currently on top of someone's head. Okay. Let's see what else is there. A balloon. Whatever that machine is. Look at that place. I don't think anyone survived. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I fallen down. What is that? 5 people survived, guys. I didn't think anyone would survive that. This game is kind of tricky. Kind of hard. So we're running around in circles, like the description said in the game. Next map, Launchland. Oh, so this is the Launchland. I can see a staircase over there. Well, it's a weird staircase. What's that noise? What's that noise? Oh, the rocket is launching. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go up and get a better view of the launch. Fire! Keep distance from the fire. Oh, it's fire. It's not launching. I'm gonna... Oh, and we're dead. Look at that. The fire... Oh, the rocket's... Look, guys, the rocket's launching. Whoa. What a disaster. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribe and also like this video. And you can also... And be sure to watch Lilaqua 24/7's version of the game. So we're running in circles again. This guy has a balloon. So these are the survivors. Benholio, Furball Man, Ace Boogie. Okay, whatever. This guy has a balloon. What does it do? Next map, Sky Tower. This is the Sky Tower. It's really, I don't know what to call it. Some windy noise is coming. So I think we need to go up. But what if it's something like a meteor shower? Oh, flash flood! Seek high and stable ground. We're high enough, I think. but I feel we need to go more higher. Okay. We can even go even more higher. Let's go up. Oh no! What? I didn't get what happened. I was high enough, but oh, 3 survivors. If I had only gotten a little bit more up, higher, if you know what I mean. I fallen down. Next map, Launchland again. Okay. I don't wanna climb up. But what if it's an acid rain or meteor shower? It's fire again. I'm getting out of here. Look at that, guys. Everyone's... I don't know what everyone's doing. Well, let's also try it. Woohoo! 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 I think that's enough. I'm getting out of here. Oh no! Volcano! There's a volcano over here. Get away from the volcano. I'm trying. I think this far end is okay. Far enough? Sheesh. Can you see those volcano particles, guys? We gotta dodge them. Do you think this huge structure will burn and fall? Well, the other one hasn't yet, so I don't think this will fall. Gonna stay here for the moment. Oh no. Gotta get up again. Can you see the volcano, guys? Yay! Yes, we've survived. I meant to say that. Next map, Rakish Refinery. I guess I'm gonna go on top of this. Or maybe go inside the Rakish Refinery place. Over here, maybe. Oh look, somebody managed to get up there. By standing on top of my head. Yes, and I'm up. And I'm down. Tsunami! Oh no! We must survive at least this. Is this high enough? The tsunami is coming. I don't think this is high enough. Gonna climb up. What? No. Okay, I guess that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till next time. Bye.